Today the wife's car is getting some work done on it. I had to bring the professional in today. Justin's here to help. I'm just here to break stuff. Today, what are we doing? The hubs, and then this stupid door lock actuator is not working again. It makes this, it's like basically the gears inside of it are stripped out. So anytime we try to lock the doors or unlock the doors, it just goes, meh. I'll play the sound for you. So see if you can hear this. I'll lock it or unlock it. Hear that? Yeah, it's pretty awesome. So we always have to manually lock this one, and then you can't even unlock it. So I'm gonna put a new actuator in this again for the second time. Yeah, I do sound like a teenage daughter when you ask me to work. So the door panel, taking it off is pretty easy. There's a couple of bolts hiding in here. Take those guys out. There's another bolt hiding back here behind the door handle. There is a screw on this side, and then there's two bolts down here on the bottom. And then the door panel just comes right out. Yeah, just slides right out every time. Oh, my kids are disgusting. This is so gross. If you don't have kids, you're missing out, because they leave food and little morsels everywhere for you to pick up and find. I think that's a French fry. It's cheese. That's awesome. You want some cheese?
Pretty sure you're supposed to clean your car out.
Justin, are you hungry? I made you lunch.
Yeah, from under cheese?
From under the door seal.
Yeah, I think I'll pass.
Why? It's a good stuff. Oh no, that's bacon. Yes.
Oh my goodness. That's abuse, dude. you don't drop bacon. That goes in your mouth.
I know. That's gross. With the door panel off, you can tell I've had this off before because the rubber seal on this is just in impeccable condition. So we're gonna do like I did last time and just kind of rip this out of the way. Justin, shut your Ford Tech ears so that you don't hear me doing this the wrong way. A sec here. So you can see back in there, it's this guy right there. That's our actuator. And I'll show you the new one, but there's a clip on the back side that clips it onto that bracket that it's hanging on there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that wire off, that clip right there, and then we're gonna try to reach our finger back in behind there, push the clip out of the way, and it'll slide up. So here you can see the new one, and see this little clip on there? That's what we've got to try to get out. So it sits in there, and then it clips into this bottom piece. So it's kind of a down, up. It's not the most fun, but I'm gonna try to get the camera in there so you can see as I pull that out. And then we'll also have to make sure that we get the bushing that slides over this knob here. We'll have to try to get that pulled out too, and it's the same one that this attaches to. I decided that I was gonna take these 3 bolts out that hold this whole assembly on, and then bring that out here so I can work on it way easier.
Your IWEs are good. Or this one is.
Now, this is the pain in the arse part. Oh yes, it's like surgery. Oh, there! Don't lose the rod of fury. Oh yes, there it is. Money. Now that it's out, we're just gonna have fun and replace it. I know. Like they come right off. It's not really a big deal.
Just all the rods.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really not. Oh, there goes the old one.
Perfect. Use the one in the middle.
I mean, so here's a new one, and I did buy a different brand this time. The other one was a AC Delco, and this one is a Ford Pour Parts. Oh wait, no, Performance. Yeah, that's what it is. Ford Performance. And it just slaps right in, just like that. And I am going to make sure this works before we slap it all back together. All right, you ready for this? Think it's going to work? Oh, yes. Oh, that is so satisfying.
Hey, my head's over by the horn.
Sorry, I didn't know you were feeling horny. There we go. Perfect. Now we're going to put it back in. So now we put this back in and we hope for the best. We'll have this rod that we have to attach to the clip in there, and then the other rod that goes in here goes up to the door lock. Just like so. Oh yes, it is in. Okay, you can take the light off, and then I just need the 3 star bolts, and then that. Really. And for a final test, let's see here. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, now the reverse of this is going to be obviously putting it all back together, door panel back on, and then we'll test it one more time. I don't know if you can see how gross this is. We obviously need to clean it. Look at that. My kid is disgusting. Like there's even a little driblet right there. Ugh. So gross. Anyways, back to the task at hand. Let's try the door lock actuator, huh? Oh, you hear that? It even sounds good. Man. Oh, sorry, Justin. Look at this. You mean to tell me that now? Yes. Oh, one small victory. Now, in the time that it took me to do the door lock actuator, Justin has successfully done an entire hub on this expedition, so that tells you my mechanical skills. We're going to go to the next video where Justin is going to show us how to do all of the hard work.